Okay, for today's tutorial, we've already signed up for our Gmail account, and the Gmail I have created is for Amberly Gruber here. And the next step that pops up automatically is to create her profile. Now, the purpose of the day is to get our personal learning environment up and running with our personal preferences and software. So we're going to do the profile quickly, and we can come back to that another day. So add a profile photo. Now, since this is for my daughter and she's very young, I don't recommend including a personal photo. So she really likes Draculaura from Monster High. So I'm going to upload that for her. Fix the mask a little bit there. And I'm going to set that as her profile photo. So there we have that. So next step, it says you're all set, and you can find these controls up here. She has her new email address, and she can continue to Gmail. And we can do that just by clicking there. And then this will set up her Gmail. For today, however, though, we want to set up her iGoogle account. So we're going to type right in here, iGoogle. We've searched for iGoogle, and we see it's the first one coming up here. It's a personalized Google page. So we will click on that. Notice because Amberly Gruber is the last one logged in that it automatically pops that up. But if it needed you to sign in, you just use your new Gmail account and your password, and it'll sign you in. And it sets you up already for an iGoogle homepage. Now, my daughter, I don't think is going to need YouTube. I don't think she's going to be interested in weather, that kind of thing. So I'm going to show you a few ways that we can personalize this. First thing she'd like to do is change her theme. And you can see all the different themes up here. There are hundreds of them. They're sorted into animals, nature. You can do sports. You can pretty much look up anything you like, and they will probably have a theme for it. So I think on the home page, it looked like there was some Christmassy type ones. She's really into Christmas. And so let me see if I can search the themes for Christmas. Oh, and all kinds of Christmas ones pop up. So I'm going to give her this Happy Holiday Snowman type theme there. And you just click on it and it changed the theme. Now, I don't think she's going to like CNN News. So you click over here on this little wheel, down arrow, and you can delete that gadget. And it'll say, are you sure you want to delete? Yes. So you can add gadgets or take away gadgets as much as you like. To add a gadget, you go over here, and there's all kinds of fun gadgets. There's communication, there's games, technology. Again, you customize this how you like it. So if you have favorite TV shows, you can get automatic updates for them. For now, I'm going to add Amberly a hamster. We can go back to her page, and we see now she has a little pet hamster on top. Say she wants it more on the bottom, you just take it, drag it, and you can put it down on the bottom. Oops, let's try that again. Right down here on the bottom. So you can move your hamster around. I'm going to get rid of the YouTube. She probably won't use the YouTube much. So now Amberly's page has her Gmail account, has the weather in Chico, the date and time, and a hamster. So this is your home page. So this is kind of cool and everything, kind of cute. But what can we use this for? So let me show you some examples. This is an example here of my iGoogle page. This is my home page, and I have all kinds of stuff that I like to look at. I've arranged them. These are a gadget called Box of Links, and I will add one later to show you how to do that. But I have all my stuff in here from my blogs. I have all my social networks here, my Twitter, my Facebook. I have all my email accounts, gossip and news, and I have my little tree frog that is my pet there, the weather in Gridley. So I have all my personal items, a nice to-do list for me to do down there, and this is how I have my personal page set up. But again, it's cute, it's clever. Here we come to the real use of your own learning environment. This is kind of like your desk, your own special spot. So we have these other tabs that you can create by clicking this down arrow. You can add a tab, edit a tab, delete a tab, but it's kind of like a binder with separators. So I have like different teacher tools I use for my research, my Full Sail university pages, all the different kinds for teachers, but I also have a really important tab called Multimedia Tools. Now, if you notice on this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the down arrow and I'm going to share this tab. And I'm going to share all my stuff I have here, and I'm going to share it with Amberly Gruber at gmail.com. So she will be able to have access to that. Okay, so here we are back at Amberly's account. We see your little hamsters busy there. I'll show you how to add one of those boxes of links. Go to the Add Gadgets, and you can actually search for different gadgets over here, and Box of Links is a very popular one. Oops, misspelling there, but it worked anyway. So Box of Links, and you add it now, and then you go back to your home page. Now she has a box of links. So you click Edit, Links, and it'll be a box of 6. So for example, if we want to type in Yahoo, if we go to Yahoo often, we would type in Yahoo as the title. Oops. And we type in the URL. And we would save that link and click Done. Now if we click on Yahoo, it'll pop up in a different page, the Yahoo site. So we can keep all of our favorite bookmarks here. But what about that page of bookmarks that I sent to her? If we notice in her Gmail here, she has some Gmails, and one of them's from Gruber Shirley. And so let's click on that email. And it says, your friend, Gruber Shirley, has sent you the following Google personalized tab. So we want to see what it is. And oh, this looks really good. You can check things, you can choose which ones you want, and you add it to your iGoogle. Okay? Now when we go back to Amber Lee's page, and we should be able to, let's see, add to iGoogle. And this is Amber Lee's page. We don't want to, it says show this page every time I start to browse the web. We want to make iGoogle her home page. And that direction here tells you how. But if you notice here, she has multimedia tools. We actually added it twice, so I'm going to delete one of them. So she has her home page still, which is all Christmassy with her box of links and her hamster. But she also has multimedia tools. So if she clicks on multimedia tools, you can either go to that tab. It has all the things that I felt were important to have. So when she starts working on her multimedia projects, if she wants to go to Blogger, all she has to do is click on that, and then we can set her up on a free blog site. If I think she needs to go to Wordle, we can click on that, and she can start working on her Wordles right away. So this is a way I can share with you all the resources that I feel are important for our class with you in one fell swoop. You don't have to copy them off a board. You don't have to copy and paste. You have all the links that I have on the same exact page. And so for now, what I want you to do is I want to work on customizing your iGoogle homepage. You can feel free to browse around the multimedia tabs. You can also make other tabs for your homework research, for anything you wish to have, and that will set you up your own personal learning environment.